BlizzardTheLisertFTW MillenniumforceFTL. Wow! I really like this user. This user is my BFF. He thinks that I was awesome because I was a good friend. Yeah. And I'm a good user on YouTube. Oh, and best of all, he made a positive video out of me named LDW2D, which is awesome. And if you want to see that video, click on the link in the description below. So yeah, BlizzardTheLisertFTW MillenniumforceFTL rules. And so does YouTuber Extreme72. End of salute. Next salute, B780. After the B780 salute, split second. And after the split second salute, Curious George.